Hi, it's Laurie at Sew Right, and I'm so excited to share with you today an upcoming event we're having at our store. And it's called Free Motion Exploration. Why are we having this event? Oftentimes customers come in the store afraid of dropping their feed dogs, sending out their quilts to long armors so they're quilting by check, losing control of their beautiful quilt top by doing so. So we often get questions as to how am I able to achieve this at home? And a lot of people are intimidated by dropping those feed dogs. So we wanted to create an event where you have the freedom to come in, experiment with various of our machines, and test out free motion quilting. So what we'll provide that day, and no pressure, it's just there for fun. This is a kit, so if you screw up, so what? You take it home, you can rip out all the stitches, or you can leave it as is, as a good document of where you began in your free motion adventure. So one of the first things that we will supply is a kit that looks like this. I will show you, and you will experiment, because I've created some quadrants, different types of free motion techniques in each quadrant. You're not going to be a perfectionist. This is for you to get the fluidity and freedom of hand movement to experiment in these quadrants. The last piece I'm going to give you is an open slate, a blank piece of fabric with batting. And we might experiment on one of our coolest machines we have, which is one of the Bernina Q series long arm machines, all right? This will give you the opportunity to experience sewing at probably its best. I will have set up some machines with various types of free motion feet. You may even be able to dabble with what is ruler work, because ruler work happens with free motion. And we'll also experiment with other types of machines that have some sort of stitch regulation, like Bernina machines with the BSR. So now you may ask, how do I join up for this event? What you can do is you can sign up online at sewright.com. You can call the store, or you can walk in and we can show you some of the machines prior to the event. It's going to be lots of fun. You're going to have freedom of doing whatever you want on these pieces of fabric. And we look forward to seeing what you'll create, because there may be some amazing thread work you're going to be doing here. All right, I look forward to seeing you. Bye.